Yeah, you don't want to look, do you? You just want to see it on this. If you're watching this bonus material, I'm going to do the floor very quickly. Again, I'm not cutting it in. I'm just putting a layer over all the main traffic areas and around the toilet to a certain extent. Okay? Dip and go, dip and go. That's the name of the game here. Swivel against the base, but don't hit the base. All right? One more. So I've cut it in really good. See, I hit that a little bit. That's because I used the metal bit on there, and that had a little bit of sealer on there. I used to hit that right up against the base, but that could mark up the baseboard, and you could get sealer on there too. So just be careful. Wipe some off if you have to. I only go back far enough to where I can still reach everything. Where the toe kick is, I'm just going to go just flush with it or slightly underneath it, not too far. See how I'm keeping about an inch away from the base there? Nice even strokes here. See, I'm almost done with this shower, or this bathroom floor. I got a little bit more left to do. Here's your bonus material, because you didn't want to let your fingers do the walking to find my other video. So okay, there it is now. If you're choosing to watch this bonus material, good for you. Sometimes I might have some bonus material. Other time, most people, I heard their attention span is about 5 minutes or so. That's why I try to keep my videos not too long, and I'll do them in different parts, you know what I mean? But other times, I might do the whole thing. Okay, I gotta get behind this door. So I have to gingerly get back here. So I should have done that before I did that other section, huh? I got just a hair on my foot there. Just a little bit, not very much. Okay, now I can head right out the door. Here, let's resituate this right out the door. Got a closet. If you notice, there was a closet in the bathroom. It's an owner's closet, but it's locked, so I can't get in there. Oh well. Get everything up close. And then I'm just careful around where the carpet is. See there? It didn't really take a whole lot. I start the sealer about here, go that way first, and then the little bit I have left I can come back. That way I'm not going to get it on the carpet. Okay, make a little, start about right there, and then come back. And fill that in. Voila! Done with the bathroom floor, just like that. You can do it too. Nice. Sweet. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.